I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, we've got ourselves a train heading our way in the distance. I'm back here at Wampum, PA. And this is M214 approaching right now. Let me zoom out a little bit. We got ourselves a high clear right there. Yeah, let's see what he's got on it. M214 autorack train heading to Baltimore. Might even have some manifest on it, but could be wrong. Looks like a Jevo's leading this one. Well, that was a friendly crew. I appreciate that. There's a Conrail. Very friendly crew. That was awesome. Power is normal, but hey, a train's a train, right? But yeah, I am here for another, well, I wouldn't say rare, but a somewhat uncommon train. You guys will see that likely in the next video. So yeah, this is M214, loaded autorack train originating in Willard, Ohio, and terminating in Curtis Bay Yard, Baltimore, Maryland. Used to go to Cumberland, but as you guys have seen in my videos, I've mentioned that 214 and 331 go over in Baltimore. Sorry for repeating myself so many times, but yeah, I do that for first-time viewers. Conrail. And another one. 3 already. I love them going fast here too. Wow, a 4th Conrail. I think that's my record. I believe I've seen 4 before. But not 5. And that's it. Yep, M214 loaded autorack train heading to Baltimore. Love that they go fast here. Thank you guys for watching this video, and here from Wampum, Pennsylvania on the CSX Pittsburgh Subdivision. This is the old main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day.